This right here is the best size box that you can buy for Amazon FBA. If you're shipping products yourself to FBA, if you choose the wrong size box, you can get in trouble, because if you fill them up too much, the issue is that you're going to get over 50 pounds, right? So usually I buy all my boxes at U-Haul when we prep ourselves, which is getting rarer and rarer. We really do it only during seasonal events like right now. But pretty much you can just go to U-Haul. Either you go to your local U-Haul, right? Or you get them shipped. But the small size, which is, let me see, we're going to see it right there. That's the medium size, right? So the medium box are 18 by 18 by 16. The small box are 16 by 12 by 12. Now, the reason why I have small box here is because, like, usually most stuff, if it's clothing, stuff that is really light and that you can pack a lot of in a box, usually you'll get away with medium box. It's really, really good to ship those kinds of products. Now, if you're shipping really small and kind of heavy, like dense product, usually the small boxes are going to be your best bet. So those two are the best. Now, with clothing, to be honest, you can go with the large and extra large box, right? Extra large box sometimes works. The issue is that a lot of the time, if you fill them too much, you're just going to, just have to remove stuff because it's going to be too heavy, right? So the truth is, just literally stock up on small and medium boxes, stock up on those, and then whenever you have a shipment, and of course, it's not as easy to do as you're just starting. If you're just starting, most of the time, you would maybe want to get one large box, just put everything in it, right? And then ship it to Amazon. Now, I would actually highly suggest that you actually move from doing minimal split, meaning you put everything in one box, right? Instead of that, you should be doing Amazon optimized split, because you're not going to pay placement fees, right? So you do smaller box, medium. Usually what we do is we just have one or two different SKUs, one or two different products, right? We just buy a lot of units of them and we split them up in between boxes, right? So usually in one of those small box right here, we just have like just one product or two products that we put like 30, 50 units, depending on the product, really, on the size of the product that we put inside, okay? So U-Haul, small boxes, medium box, that's all you need. Now, I know I haven't introduced myself. I'm Chris Mangunza. I'm releasing videos here every day to actually help you with your Amazon business. So if you're new, you should subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.